It's hard to believe the Pixel Watch is finally a reality. The earliest rumors for Google's smartwatch first appeared online 4 years ago, promising a 3-model lineup that never quite came to fruition. Despite this week's announcement at Google I/O, we're still months away from its official launch, and there's plenty we don't know about the wearable just yet, including its underlying hardware. In addition to the smartwatch, Google also unveiled Pixel 7, Pixel 7a, Pixel 6a, Pixel Buds, Pixel Tablet, and Android 13 software update at the event. A source told 9to5 Google that the Pixel Watch has a battery that comes with a 300 milliamp hour. We've also learned that cellular connectivity will be offered, though we're not certain on how the models, of which 3 have been spotted, will differ. As per the company, users will be able to answer calls, make calls, send messages, pay, control home, and more right from their wrist. We previously speculated that the Pixel Watch may be powered by Samsung Exynos. Google using the same W920 chip as the Galaxy Watch 4 would not be surprising. A measurement revealed that the display size on the Pixel Watch is roughly 30 millimeters, or just under 1.2 inches, which makes for another similarity with the Galaxy Watch 4. But the question arises when the Google Pixel Watch will be available for purchase in the market. Although Google did not announce any specific launch date for the smartwatch, Pixel Watch is announced to release in fall of 2022. Chances are, the smartwatch will debut alongside Pixel 7 and Pixel 7a in October and go on sale after that. That's cool. Let's wait for more leaks to come. Another mostly asked question is, what are we going to expect in this monster smartwatch? And we have an answer to that. Going by the pictures shared by the company at Google I/O 2022, Pixel Watch features a circular display, unlike Apple Watch, with a metal frame, slim bezels, and a crown on the right edge. According to Google, the smartwatch is made from 80% recycled stainless steel and is likely to be available in black, gold, and gray color options. The tech giant revealed that the Pixel Watch will run on Wear OS UI that will have fluid navigation and smart notifications. It will also come with support for Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Wallet. This smartwatch will be compatible with smart home devices using the Home app for Wear OS. Hence, you'll be able to control these devices right from your wrist. Google has also announced that the smartwatch will get Fitbit to deliver industry-leading health and fitness experiences. As for fitness features, the smartwatch will come with fitness goals tracking, sleep tracking, heart rate monitor, active zone minutes, and more. So guys, this was the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you really did, then smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.